So basically he's getting bumps, right? He's getting bumps. He's getting ingrown hairs, right? Right? So we get this question all the time. Fellas, we have never been taught the method of shaving. We've never been taught not only the method of shaving, but the tools we should be using. And so then now we bump up and we freak out. Can you grab the aftershave over there, please? The natural one? The first thing we should do is establish, are you doing a dry shave or a wet shave? If you're doing a dry shave, if you're dry shaving, this is what you should be doing. Thank you. This is what you should be doing. You want to take an oil, whatever, coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, whatever you got, okay? Take that oil, whatever area, and whatever the area you're going to be shaving. Let's use this for example. You're going to shave here, or let's say, in his case, what's his name again? Julian, he's shaving underneath. So, Julian, you're shaving underneath your, this is the most sensitive part for us that you're gonna shave. I don't even really shave like that anymore. If you go check out over 400 of my videos, at least 300 of them, I was keeping this clean. That's besides the point. Take the oil, get a little bit, a drop or two on your finger. Rub the oil on the area you're going to shave. Okay, so we're using this. You're going to shave underneath here, right? Leave it on there for 10 seconds. Do not wipe it off. Do not clean it off. Step 2. Take your clippers, your liners. These are liners here. These are Andes that I have in my hand, okay? And what you're going to do is, I'm trying to see, wish I had a mirror on the wall. Then what you're going to do is whatever direction your hair grows, you're going to shave in that direction. Do not go against the grain. We have a habit of going against the grain because we feel like we get a cleaner shave, but then we got bumps. We're looking like, bumpy skill skin. You know what I'm talking about? So you want to go with the grain. So if your hair grows downward, then you want to start shaving downward. I don't want to get this blade caught in my hair. You want to shave downward, okay? Shave downward. Then sometimes because right in this area, our hair grows downward, upward, and across. So shave downward. Then once you have that first shave, then shave across to the right. Then go to your left. Shave across to your left. Okay? Because our hair pattern is going to grow in different directions. That's how you want to do it. You want to start off with an oil because the oil is going to soften your skin and it's also going to soften your hair. You do not want to shave. You don't want to do a dry shave on dry skin. You want that skin to be elastic. You know what I'm talking about? You don't want that skin to be hard. And then what you're doing is causing irritation. Bam. After you do that, I'm talking about my dry shave brothers. I get to the wet shave brothers, but my dry shave brothers. Once you complete that, then this is what you want to do right after that. You want to use an all natural aftershave. Okay? An all natural aftershave. So this is the one that I use. This is one that we got again at blackmensgroomingden.com. I use this. It's all natural. Okay? It's an all natural aftershave that I use. All right? Now, let's just say, boom, yo, B, what can I use at home? Well, you're going to have to go buy something. Either way, you're either going to grab this or you're going to go to your local grocery store, Kroger, Walmart, Myers, Ralph's, wherever you are in the world. I don't know any other grocery stores, CVS, wherever you are in the world. Go and grab some vitamin E oil. Go and get some tea tree oil, and you grab some peppermint oil. Mix that bad boy up. Boom. There you go. Now you got your own concoction. Again, you can go grab that. It's going to cost you. Or you can grab the natural aftershave. And now that's how you're going to be able to heal your skin. Then, on that day, that's your process. The next day, this is what you're going to do the next day. you're going to exfoliate underneath here. Why? Because you shave today, tomorrow the hair is growing back. The hair is going to be growing right back. It's going to start back growing. So to avoid that hair going right back into your, curling right back into the skin and causing inflammation, because that's what you're experiencing, you want to exfoliate to keep the skin clear from any ingrown hair. Okay, that's the process. Now, if you are a wet shaver, you can use the same process. The only difference is you're not going to use clippers. You might use a straight razor. If you're using a straight razor, then what I would recommend is you to use aloe vera. Use aloe vera. Use aloe vera, or a shaving cream that has aloe vera, or shaving gel that has aloe vera. That's what I would recommend. And you can use the same process. After you shave it with the straight razor, you got to go in the direction of the hair. Do not go against the grain. You want to do the aftershave. The next day you want to exfoliate. And you want to be exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week. Okay? And then after you exfoliate, you use the aftershave again the next day. That's the process. I hope I covered everything on that piece. That's how you work it. But make sure before you shave, clean that area, because if you're shaving, trimming, or whatever you're doing, you're causing trauma to the skin, you're removing skin, and then you got nasty bacteria and all types of creatures that's roaming around, and when you open up that door, it's going to go into your skin and it's going to cause infection. Then now, you know, your skin is just not acting right, and it's giving you a headache. You can't even think, because you walking around, you got these bumps, and you're like, damn, man, I got these bumps and they hurt and they suck. That's what you want to do. Okay? Sorry.